Poor airflow results in poor drying, longer than expected drying times, or wet damp loads. To ensure good airflow, clean your lint screen before every load and remove any laundry detergent or fabric softener residue buildup regularly. Clean the lint screen before each load is dried. If the lint screen is on top of the dryer, remove the lint screen by pulling towards you. If the lint screen is in the front of the dryer, with the door open, remove the lint screen by pulling it straight up. Roll the lint off the screen with your fingers. Do not rinse or wash screen to remove lint. Periodically inspect your lint screen for laundry detergent and fabric softener residue buildup, which can also limit airflow. As before each load, first roll any lint off the screen with your fingers. Wet both sides of the lint screen with hot water. Using a nylon brush, wet the brush with hot water and liquid detergent and scrub both sides of the lint screen. Rinse both sides with hot water. Inspect the lint screen mesh to be sure no detergent or residue buildup remains. Repeat rinsing and scrubbing as necessary. Dry the lint screen with a clean towel. Align the lint screen with the opening and push the lint screen firmly into place.